Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to delete Discord account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. To delete your Discord account, go to user settings and scroll down, and here we can see a option delete account. To delete our account, click on delete account, and here you can see a warning. In order to delete or disable your account, you must first transfer ownership of all servers that you want, or you have to delete all the servers which you created. Once you deleted your all servers or transfer your ownership to another account, then click on delete account, and now here you have to put your current Discord password and click on delete account, and then your account will be permanently deleted. So this was how we can delete our Discord account. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.